And we're live.
We are live.
Hi, everyone. Sonia, are you
Hello.
here still?
Yes.
We
Sonia
already
with
got
a
a comment.
very, very large surname.
Yeah, from Sri Lanka. That is a Sri Lankan name, definitely.
Yeah.
It's nice to meet you, Sonia.
Hello. Welcome, welcome. We are
Yeah.
also in Milan.
Yes, we are. Sonia, do you go to my yes in Milan?
Which one do you go to? Because we teach at the Fabio Filzi Centrale.
Yes, we do. Yeah, so how are you, Peter?
I am fine. I am at home, relaxed, quarantined, and safe.
Oh, she studies at the Meravigli, my yes.
Ah,
Yeah, well, welcome. We're so happy to see you. We teach
indeed.
at the Fabio Filzi Maies near Centrale.
Exactly.
Yeah. So how is the weather in the center of town?
It's kind of cold.
You have to
It's
look.
kind of cold.
We've been inside too long.
Yeah, it's I imagine it's cold is my kind of viewing on the thing, but
Mhm.
it is kind of cold because I took out the bins earlier. You know, my exercise.
I'm writing that down because that is interesting. Because took is past tense of take, and bins means trash or garbage.
The rubbish.
The rubbish. Oh, I used both American words.
Um, I'm very my English is so English.
It really is, which is hilarious to me because I my English is so American. It doesn't cross, even though I love watching like the BBC, certain programs on TV from England. I
Do not adopt.
no, no. I do like Shakespeare.
Well, that's completely different English.
Oh yeah. But he is English. Sonia asks,
Yeah,
where are we from? So I'm from San Francisco in the United States.
I am from Manchester in the northwest of England.
I have to clean my camera.
Uh,
Sorry about that. Oh, maybe that's permanent. Oh well, it works.
Never mind.
Yes, so the reason why we asked for the weather is that's what we're covering.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Today,
Yeah,
ooh,
it is beautiful. Have you been to San Francisco, Angela?
hello, welcome, Chiara.
Oh, hi, Chiara. Chiara is our neighbor.
Really?
Yeah. She's also in Milan. So all of our students in Milan are basically neighbors at this point. We we can't go outside.
Basically.
So yeah. Yeah. So we'll just wave outside of our windows. Hi, Chiara. Hi, Sonia.
Interesting. I do not see my neighbors.
No, yeah. One of them has a dog. That's all I know.
Oh, okay.
So the weather forecast. In this activity, we'll be talking about the weather in different seasons, and giving a weather forecast.
Different vocab for
Uh,
the weather and severity.
Yeah, can you give us an example of what a season is?
So at the moment, despite the weather outside, the season is spring,
Yeah, the
for
season is
example.
spring now.
Springtime at the moment. A favorite season of the year.
It's your favorite?
Hmm. Yeah, well done, Sonia.
Yeah, so we have
Chiara.
spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
Mm.
And Angela
And
asks, what
Sonia.
is a forecast?
Ooh, forecast is a prediction.
Is there an Italian word? Do you know it?
Um, I do not know the Italian for a forecast.
I believe it is meteo. Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Okay.
meteo or you mean the weather?
Yeah, isn't that what a forecast also? No, maybe not. What is it in Italian?
I'm not sure.
We would not be the person to ask. So a forecast is a prediction. It's when you look, for example, if you look at the weather and they are able to tell you that tomorrow will be sunny, and Friday it will rain. Ah, there we go. Exactly.
Yeah, previsione. Okay. Yeah, it's a prediction of what the weather will be. Sometimes accurate, sometimes not accurate.
Yes, so it's what the weather will be. That's future simple. Oh, look, this is not why I picked this.
Hmm. San Francisco.
So the weather forecast. Answer these questions in the comments. Where can you check the weather forecast? Do you check the weather forecast every day? How? And how often do you talk about the weather with other people? So the picture is of San Francisco, and I do know where this is.
Really?
Yeah,
Is it famous?
no. I looked inside of an apartment in that building once, and it was expensive.
Sonia says I agree with Sonia. When we are in quarantine, the weather is very sunny.
Yes,
Uh,
we're missing the sunshine.
I know, Sonia. It
Yeah,
is true.
it is true. How often do you talk about the weather with other people?
Not very often.
Really?
No,
I talk about the
no.
weather quite often.
I only talk about the weather when it is noticeably different from the prediction.
Ah, I talk about the weather because I can in Italian. So I talk about it quite a lot. For example, oh, how are you? Oh, it's good. It's a little hot today.
Really?
It's a little cool today. So I talk about the weather quite often to make conversation.
Okay then. I never. Yeah, yeah. Sonia, exactly. Sonia knows. Sonia knows. Only when the weather is very strange.
Yeah, and make conversation is exactly what it sounds like. Just chat, chit chat.
So, where do you think you can check the weather forecast? Write in the comments where. What method do you use to check the weather forecast?
Where do you check the weather?
I check the weather on my phone.
Yeah. Same with
Yeah,
Sonia. You have a lot in common.
exactly.
I check it
And
on my watch.
ah,
Let's see if it has
clever.
weather. Yeah, it has the weather on it. It
I
is
have
partly cloudy.
different settings for places. For
Mhm.
example, my phone has Madrid, it has Milan, and it has Manchester.
Angela gets
Nice.
hers on TV or on the radio.
Yeah.
Same with Kiara, on my phone or on television.
Hmm. Okay. They're the most traditional. I can't think of any other ways of checking the weather, but phone, TV, radio. Yeah. Do you check the weather forecast every day?
I don't.
No, me neither. I do not check the weather forecast every day. I usually look out the window
Yes.
and I guess.
Oh, yeah. You can also check it on the newspaper or in the newspaper.
Yeah.
So, no, not every day.
For me, it's not every day either.
No, the weather does not change enough. Sometimes, if I want to know how cold it will be, so I dress properly, if I'm going to be outside for a long time, I check the weather. If I'm going from my house to work, I don't always check.
Okay.
Yeah,
I
Kiara,
normally.
when she
Uh,
goes out.
uh,
What do you
I
normally do?
agree. Not these days. Watch out for spelling, Sonia. Not in these days, exactly. Obviously.
Obviously, no one's checking the weather.
Uh,
Sometimes I check the weather to see if it will rain or has rained so that I don't overwater my garden.
really?
I on my balcony, if it
A
rains,
garden?
it's I have a lot of plants on my balcony, and if it rains and then I water them, they die.
Too much water.
Yeah. Thank you for commenting though, Sonia. You're still doing a
Yeah, don't
fantastic
worry, don't
job.
worry.
We love your
Mistakes.
comments. That's how
Mistakes
you learn.
happen. Okay. Should we press play?
Yeah. Describe the picture on the right. What would you say about San Francisco?
I would say it's on the left, but
You were correct. What picture on the right?
yeah, but for me, the weather is clear. It's clear skies and probably quite warm, but I can see mostly cloudy. Hmm.
Yeah, 46 degrees Fahrenheit is cool. It's quite cool. It's about oh, I have to think about this, the conversion. It's
Yeah,
less than 20. I think right now it's about 46 here in Milan.
okay.
I
So it's
have
quite cool.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's quite cool because 32 is 0 here.
Wow.
So 46 would be quite cool.
Yeah, 46 degrees Fahrenheit. I do not know Fahrenheit at all.
Nor do I. When I
It
came
is
here, I switched to Celsius, and now I don't know the temperature of anything. 30 is hot.
I remember I went to Miami and Phoenix in America, and they said the temperature, I guess, is around 60, 70 degrees C. My
Mhm.
face was, no, you are incorrect. Otherwise, I would be in real trouble. But Sonia, good.
Oh, yeah. So the temperature right now is 60 degrees, which is 16 here. In Celsius. In Fahrenheit, it is 60. So 46 would be closer to 10 degrees.
Cold.
Hmm.
Sonia, for degrees Fahrenheit, we use the verb to be. So it is 46 degrees.
That's singular then.
Yeah,
Can we zoom the picture?
I don't think so.
Mm, sorry, we can't.
We cannot zoom on the picture.
Because I can't zoom it on mine. Maybe if I just do this for a while.
Um, uh, shall we continue?
We shall. Do you know this app? No. Let's skip. The weather. So describe the weather in these photos. Describe them in the comments. So A, B, C, D, E, and F. And sorry, they're very tiny pictures.
Yes, I'm sorry for the pictures, but they are quite clear,
Yeah,
the
at
types
least.
of weather. So please write in the comments the types of weather. These are quite extreme
Yes.
weathers. Do you have a favorite type of weather?
I like rain.
Really?
Yeah. How about you?
Light rain or
I like heavy rain. Like
okay.
heavy tropical rain that just comes down and you can barely see anything. Not when I'm driving, but if I'm at home or walking outside, I don't mind it.
Hmm.
How about you?
I think cool weather. I like rain when I play sports. Light rain.
Light rain? You don't find
Hmm.
yourself sliding around the pitch?
I like I like a little rain because it helps when I play football. Okay. Yeah, nice answers from people.
Yeah, great job, everyone. Oh, that just goes directly there. Okay, so we're describing on our own. That's good. Um, so for B, A, the example, it's rainy. It's raining. What's the difference between rainy and raining?
It's one is a description, the other is the continuous form of the verb.
Would you say that's an adjective?
Rainy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Rainy, foggy for B. B. Well done, Sonia.
Yes, it's foggy.
Well, when
Yeah.
there is, yeah,
See, it's hot or warm. Do you
uh,
know where that is?
Colorado. Don't
I was
know.
going to guess Arizona, but what do I know? It
I
could
don't
also
know.
be Utah.
It could be a lot of places in
Yeah.
America. Yeah, okay. D, snowing. Well done, Chiara.
We have snowing and snowy. Great job, guys.
Bad
Ah,
weather. There is a light. Ah,
so we call that lightning. And what's the sound? Tell us in the
thunder.
comments. That too.
Yeah. Sonia has the description. It's stormy.
Stormy.
Yeah. Angela, the light is the lightning.
We call it lightning.
Mm. An F. Maybe. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
mild or it's very, I would say, warm. Almost, Angela, the spelling.
There's an N in there.
Like,
Lightning.
uh, I think you spelt it before.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, like that. Lightning. Okay.
Yeah. So great
Nice.
job on these descriptions. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments about what something means or how to describe something. We had a lot of examples. So rainy, raining, foggy. We don't say fogging, do we? Not in this case, right?
No, we don't say fogging.
Snowy, snowy and snowing, yes.
Yeah.
Stormy, yes. Do we say storming? No, just stormy. So foggy, stormy. But for rain and snow, we can say rainy or snowy, or raining or snowing.
Yeah.
Let's confuse them more.
Yeah.
So you told us earlier the four seasons. Can you describe the weather in each of these four seasons? So you told us they were spring, summer, fall, and or autumn and winter.
Winter.
Can you describe the weather?
Let's see. For example, in spring, what is the weather like in spring?
It is cool and it can be rainy and sunny. The weather changes a lot.
It does, typically in spring.
So yeah, the weather in spring is mild.
What about in summer? What is the weather like in summer normally?
Oh, there we go. In the summer, it is hot, sometimes very hot.
It depends. In Italy, in America, yes. In England, no. Only hot. Only hot.
Only hot, not very hot.
Hmm.
The only time I've been to London, it was very hot and very sunny for the 2 days I was there.
Really?
I got lucky.
Very, very lucky.
Yeah. Sunny, that's a great word, Angela. Summer is sunny and hot.
Yeah, exactly. Autumn. What about autumn in the picture, what weather can we see?
Ooh, that looks foggy to me. And Sonia said it's rainy. Do you like the autumn?
Not really. It's too wet. I prefer the winter. Autumn is there is too much rain.
I like autumn. It's my favorite.
I imagine because you like the rain.
I do. I don't like it when it's too hot. And if I don't like it when the weather doesn't change, and I don't like that there's no wind.
Autumn has too much rain for me.
Sonia went to London for 3 months and wanted to stay, but the weather said no.
Interesting.
Yes.
The weather says that a lot.
Yes. Don't forget past tense of said, or of say is said, and it's spelled S-A-I-D. That's a funny comment. Chiara says, in the winter, the winter is cold, rainy, snowy, or stormy. It's very bad. So Chiara doesn't like winter.
No, but it's very accurate, a good description.
Mhm. I don't like the cold very much, but I don't like the heat very much.
I do quite like the cold.
I like the temperature
Yeah.
now, but when it's below 0, I don't like it. Do you ski?
I do.
So do you go skiing very often?
No, I went skiing for the first time in about 12, 13 years recently in December.
Wow. Yes, I
It
have been
was
skiing twice.
interesting.
It's terrible.
Ah, you do not like to ski.
I don't. Tell us
Ah,
in the comments, do you like skiing? And we can go through this slide with examples of sentences.
ah, the weather forms. Do you want me to read?
Yes, please.
Structures, present. It looks, there is. Future, it's going to be. It will be. There will be. There is going to be. Adjectives. Rainy, snowy, stormy, foggy, sunny, windy, hot, cold, warm, cool. Nouns. There's a strong wind. There will be a storm or showers. Verbs. It's raining. It's snowing. It's going to rain. It will snow. I think it will rain or snow. Okay. Do you think you can put some examples for us? Let's see. I can do one. Tomorrow, it's going to be windy and sunny, probably.
Hmm.
Hopefully.
Hopefully, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Sonia says about the skiing, like in Sri Lanka, yes and no, 50-50.
Ah, you
Oh,
hear
you've
my
got
voice
a
twice.
reverb. It could be our
Hmm.
connection because I hear my voice twice in my ears.
Possibly. Unfortunately, I do not have headphones with a functioning microphone.
Yes. It could also have been that I was messing with the sound for a second.
Ah,
Do you still hear it, Sonia? Do you still hear Peter's voice twice?
possibly. But now you get me twice. Which is unfortunate.
Yes. So the future, we were talking about predicting the future. It's going to, it will. Uh, or if we're not sure, I think it will. So I think it will be cloudy tomorrow.
Ah. So the difference between going to and will. Going to is for predictions
Thank you, Sonia.
with evidence.
Oh,
Will, predictions without evidence. For example, tomorrow it will be snowy. It's my opinion. It's what I
mhm.
think. But tomorrow, I think it's going to rain because there are clouds in the sky.
Mhm.
That is my evidence.
Yeah.
Oh,
So I think that in April it will be cool and sunny. I think in April
April.
it's going to be cool and sunny based
Yeah,
on my experience of April. I
yeah.
have had very
Remember
good.
the pronoun it.
Yes. It will be cool and sunny.
But going to predictions with evidence.
Mhm.
Will predictions without evidence.
Yes. Do you
Very
think
common
it will
in
be
a weather.
stormy tomorrow?
I don't think it will, but I have no evidence to suggest.
We don't know.
No idea.
Yeah. The weather says that it will rain all day today, but
Exactly.
you can see the sun behind me.
Ish.
Kind of, yes.
I can see a light behind you.
Light. It's the light of the sun behind some curtains.
Hmm, lovely.
I thought it would be darker.
Ah,
I think it will be
okay.
darker later, though.
Probably. Probably. I think it's going to be darker.
Yeah. Can you give us a prediction? Tell us, how is summer going to be?
Summer is going to be hot because it is always hot.
Do you think we'll have a long summer?
I think so
It will
because
stay hot
every year
until October.
it gets hotter and hotter.
Yes. Can you imagine being home, having to be quarantined in August?
Uh, no, I cannot. I do not want to.
Very hot because of global warming.
Exactly. Exactly.
Do you
Shall
think we'll
we?
have snow this year?
Um, I'm not sure.
Next winter? All right, temperature.
Possibly.
I'll read this one. How do we measure temperature in the UK and in the US? When does water boil or freeze in Celsius? Is 90 degrees Fahrenheit hot or cold? So tell us in the comments what you think these answers are. 14 degrees C is degrees Celsius, 90 degrees F, degrees Fahrenheit. Hot or cold? Are these temperatures boiling, hot, warm, cool, cold, or freezing? And we have a list of temperatures. So 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 45 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 12 degrees Celsius, 60 degrees Fahrenheit, -7 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and 6 degrees Celsius.
Ooh. The different stages of temperature: boiling, hot, warm, cool, cold, freezing.
Yeah. So Chiara says, this summer, I think it will be very hot and sunny. Yeah.
Nice, good structure, good form.
Yeah. Do you use Fahrenheit in the UK?
We do not.
Ah, so Fahrenheit is only used in the United States. Everywhere else uses Celsius.
Yeah,
I don't know why we don't change it. I think we should.
probably it's easier.
Yeah, so 90 degrees. Yes, 90 degrees is hot.
90 degrees Fahrenheit, I hope is hot.
It is. Boiling is 100 degrees Celsius and freezing is 0 degrees. Now, in Fahrenheit,
Exactly.
freezing is 32. I don't know how to make the little 0 degree symbol.
I do not know either.
And then boiling is 212 degrees Fahrenheit.
Wow.
Yeah. So freezing is 32 degrees Fahrenheit and boiling is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. So can you let us know what you think that these temperatures are? Are they hot, boiling, cool, cold, warm, freezing? We have 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Is that cold or is that hot?
That's cold.
Yeah. And
That's
45
very,
degrees
very cold.
Celsius. Yeah. I mean, it's 0
Freezing.
degrees Celsius. So, yes, technically freezing.
100 degrees Fahrenheit is boiling.
Yes.
60
So,
degrees Fahrenheit.
it's
Hot?
temperate. It's warm. It's not super hot. Hot is 80 degrees.
Okay.
So, 75 is at the edge of nice. It's warm.
Okay. Interesting.
Yeah. Yeah. Like 12 degrees is warm, right? Celsius. 12 degrees Celsius is warm.
Hmm.
It's
For
cool.
English people, yes, but for people in Italy, no.
No, it's cool or cold. 7 degrees and 6 degrees then has to be, oh, -7. Sorry, -7 degrees is freaking freezing.
Yeah, it's very cold.
It's very cold. That's like in the mountains.
Yeah, at the mountain tops.
And then 6 degrees is cold. I would
Yeah,
say freezing,
exactly.
but I am not good
Well
with
done,
cold.
Sonia, Angela. Exactly. 6 is cold, -7 is freezing.
Yeah, hot is
Uh,
37 degrees.
oh, that's very, very hot.
That sounds very hot. What temperature does it like what was the hottest temperature this summer here in Milan?
40,
I
maybe?
believe was it higher?
It felt
I
like 40.
remember 40. It did feel like 40.
The humidity
Boiling.
in Milan is the problem.
I think
It's
so.
very humid, and the temperature you feel a lot more.
Mhm. Yes.
Okay. Shall we continue?
Yeah, let's.
Oh, we cannot do that.
Create your own weather forecast for today in the UK or Canada. Both use Celsius. So the key language,
Uh,
go ahead.
where? In the north, northeast, northwest, in the south, southeast, southwest, in the center. Future structures. It will be, there will be, it's going to, there is going to be, it might, there might be. Okay, for the future structures, will be and going to, we know. Might and might be, a modal verb of probability,
So it
of
might rain
possibility.
today.
Yeah, it might rain today. That might, yeah, I think it might rain as well. Probably. So, shall we guess the weather in the United Kingdom using all the future structures and the key language?
So in the south of England, it will be sunny. That's my prediction.
Lovely. Yeah, perfect example. Can you write your own examples in the comments? All around the world sunny because of the quarantine. In Switzerland, freezing. Interesting. In Switzerland, always very cold. Always, always very cold. My example sentence. In the northwest, there will be snow.
Yes. So one thing that you can notice is we use in the northwest and then a full sentence. There will be snow. So instead of saying in the northwest will be snow, we generally put the subject there. So in the northwest, and then the full sentence, there will be snow. I think there might be, or I think it might be very hot in Ireland this week. There is a
Okay.
chance.
It's a very bold prediction.
It's a very incorrect prediction.
Uh, what about you? Can you write your own predictions at home in the comments? So there might be rain in Wales, for example.
Sonia has a question. In the southeast, there will rain. There will be rain.
Yeah.
So it will rain or there will be rain.
When we form the future simple in English, we put will followed by the bare infinitive.
Right. So rain, it will rain. Rain is also a verb. So it will rain or there will be rain.
Be rain. Lovely, Chiara. North of Ireland, it will be rainy. In the centre of Ireland, it might be stormy.
Instead, in the south of Ireland, it will be very windy, but not rainy. That's an excellent
Yeah,
sentence.
really well done.
So it will be windy, but not rainy.
Exactly.
Yeah. So we have 5 minutes left. Do you have any questions for us? Let us know in the comments. We can practice a little bit more.
In the Sahara Desert, it will be boiling. Definitely. It definitely will be boiling. Okay. So the vocab from today. What do we call 200 degrees, 212 degrees Fahrenheit? What type of weather is that?
That's not weather.
It's
That's dead.
What about 100 degrees Fahrenheit?
That's boiling. I mean, technically speaking, 212 degrees is the boiling point of water. If your weather is 212 degrees outside and you can see that it's 212 degrees outside, you're not going to survive very long.
Okay, so there's boiling, then hot, then warm, then cool and cold, then freezing.
And freezing, it's boiling. Is there a synonym for boiling that is used very often, or do you always use boiling?
Normally we say boiling. But Angela, almost, just remember spelling. I think it will be about exactly.
I think it will be about
20 degrees
Celsius. You're
we
welcome.
always say boiling. We do a lot, but
Yeah. I always say
there are
hot,
a lot of colloquial terms for the temperature.
Yeah. Freaking hot.
Roasting.
Roasting, yes.
Baking.
Baking. They're cooking terms.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, the cooking term is
I always just say
baking
it's hot,
outside.
isn't it? Even if it's like really hot, I just say it's really hot. I almost never use the word boiling.
I sometimes say it's unsufferable outside.
Unsufferable.
Um,
Is there a difference between insufferable and unsufferable?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure which word, which prefix it is, but the grammar of our lesson as well today, there is. I'm trying to find it from before.
Oh, yeah.
Going to is for predictions with evidence, and will, predictions without evidence. Both are followed by the bare infinitive, going to rain, going to snow. It will rain, it will snow. Language of prediction. We use will and going to.
And if we're not sure?
If you're not sure, will.
Or
might be.
might. Will or might, yeah.
If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments and we can try and answer you.
Absolutely. But wonderful job, everyone. Everyone did such a wonderful job commenting and answering.
Yeah, some nice answers and good language.
Yes. Yeah.
And
So
good structure.
The 4 seasons. We talked about predicting the weather.
Different types of weather. Lightning, stormy, thunder. For example, lightning.
Lightning, yep.
Like Harry Potter.
He had a lightning-shaped scar.
Thunder, the sound.
Yes.
Okay. You're welcome, Sonia.
You're welcome. Bye, everyone. I think
bye-bye.
Now.
Keep learning English.
Yeah, it
We
looks like
have
everyone's gonna have a wonderful
webinars.
day. Go ahead.
every hour for every level. So please continue to watch, and we
Yeah.
will see you all again soon.
Hope to see you guys again soon. Bye.
Bye bye.